Srimannarayana. First sloka of 12th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Evam satatayuktaye bhaktastvam paryupasate ye chapyaksharam avyaktam tesham ke yogavittamaha. Om. Ask for Sri Krishna Paramatma instead of asking for things from Sri Krishna Paramatma. Consider Sri Krishna Paramatma as your supreme goal. Worship Sri Krishna Paramatma with complete dedication. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall ask for you only, I do not ask for things from you. O Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall fix you as my supreme goal. I shall worship you with all my complete dedication. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham, 10th Skandham, 208th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Balarama Krishna and other boys were grazing calves in the forest. At the same time, the elder Gopalas, they are grazing cows on the mountain Govardhanam. From there, when those cows have seen calves, Gilantya Ivachangani Lihantyaha, they came running towards to their baby cows and giving them the milk and touching their tongue all over the bodies of the baby cows with so much of affection, as if are they going to swallow these baby cows. To that extent they are touching, kissing and releasing their urination with so much of excitement. Like that, all the cows were going through unlimited happiness by seeing their baby cows. How much ever the elder Gopalas tried to stop those cows coming towards baby cows, they could not stop them. They failed to stop them. So, as and how cows were feeling so happy by seeing baby cows, so also those who were grazing those cows, the elderly Gopalas, by seeing their boys who were grazing baby cows. Ayyalaganti manchu pulakaankuramul velayanga kurralan chayyanadasi ettukoni. Those elderly Gopalas also feeling extremely happy to see their sons, boys, and they came all the way to their boys. They lifted their boys, they were kissing everywhere, they were hugging, they were moving to happy tears, and their bodies were getting goosebumps by seeing their sons. Parirabhya murdhani granaihi avapuhu paramam mudante. They were feeling extremely happy, as if all of those elderly Gopalas realized that these boys are none other than Sakshat Sri Krishna Paramatma. As if they realized that, they are feeling extremely happy, but they did not realize that. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra explaining how Gopalas and cows were feeling happy to see their sons and baby cows. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 12th chapter, 1st sloka. Evam satata yuktaye bhaktastvam paryupasate ye chapyaksharam avyaktam tesham ke yoga vittamaha. Evam satata yuktaye bhaktastvam paryupasate ye chapyaksharam avyaktam tesham ke yoga vittamaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.